Hello again. I have figured out what's the problem in this error. The reason why I get this error. Okay, after takes couple minutes, I finally figure out. Let's refresh this one. Okay, I'm in the same exact error in the previous video. So let's take step by step. Step by step, I mean. Okay, we already moved the class here into the component itself, and then I get the error that argument 1 string must be type of string closure given. I was confused what is the context split.php. If I scroll down here, I don't get the information what I want, but I suspect that the root problem is the in the context in the content itself. So if I remove that and refresh, oh, it works. But here's another problem. If I press submit, I get the additional error that method of action save does not exist on the component. Or if I press the reset, I attach it with the clean method, which is in this function. In the clean method, I get the error also from the livewire fault that it doesn't exist in the component. Okay, so here's the reason. The reason is if I see the documentation, the class-based fault component, it it create a new class instead the name of class itself. In the previous livewire, I mean, let's say livewire traditional way, we create a class form, but now it changed to new class. Okay, the first itself, and then if I submit, I still get the error. Why? Because if I see the import class, I use the livewire backslash component, but the fault itself requires the livewire backslash fault backslash component. So let's change it to the fault and then save it, and I submit. Yeah, I get the what I want, the validation and the reset. It works. Now I want to return the content itself here. So how to do that? To do that, I need to back again here, and then I undo here. Okay, I get the content, I save. Voila, it works. I don't need to change anything here. Okay, so I finally solved the problem, the error I get. Yay. Okay, let's change the code snippet here. Actually, the code snippet here is the combination of Markdown and then some components created by Laravel team called Laravel Unfence. If you see here, let's see Laravel Unfence. Oh, not found. I mean, let's say Laravel Unfence GitHub. In Laravel Labs. So where I get this thing? I get this thing from the Laravel repository, bootcampLaravel.com. If we go to in this composer.json, we will see something like Laravel Unfetched, which is it links to version control system, I think, in repository like this one. If you open the bootcamp Laravel itself, if you see the snippet like livewire, this one, it comes from the Laravel Advanced, and also you need to install the Torchlight command mark in order and also I mean torchlight command mark and torchlight Laravel in order to make it works, like syntax highlighting. Also I set this example in the repository, yeah, in this one. Okay, so that's it, the summary of the how I set the snippet. So let's change the snippet. Change the snippet. Okay, so the location itself, if we see, is in docs/form. So let's go to form.md, and then we 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 copy this one, and then we change the blade view here. We replace it with the new one. Boom. Okay, it takes the time. Yeah, this is the full version. I mean, I don't need the namespace because it's useless in the I mean in the live wire fault. We don't need that. It still works. Okay, just remove that thing. Yeah, remove it. I don't need. So we just need route and the view itself. We don't need the controller. Fault route, and then the name is the form. Okay, and then we use, let's see the snippet here, let's see the cheat sheet here. Copy this one and then place it here, save it, and then save it here, and then if you see, yep, it works well. Okay, additional point, in order to make the view itself show here the live fault, you need the you also need install the components layout here in app.php by using command php artisan livewire layout. It will give you the scaffolding of layouts app.php here inside the components, because I already have it, so it give me message view already exists. Okay, that's it for the form.